Good morning. Wow, pretty sunrise this morning, isn't it? Clouds are just right for the sun and the sky and the clouds to show off this morning. Pretty. Let's breathe together as we watch the sunrise. Your posture, a straight spine, your legs uncrossed, your hands at your side or in your lap, and if you're sitting in a chair, feet firmly planted, hip distance apart. Lift your chest and tuck your chin back and hold that posture, and then let the belly go soft. Soft, 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 round belly. And then pull the air in, and as you do, the belly button moves forward as the diaphragm comes down and the air rushes in to flood your body with oxygen, rounding across the back and flaring your rib cage out as you continue to pull the air in all the way up to the collarbones, and then spill it out. And your body flattens and lengthens gently as you reach the bottom. The belly button sinks back toward the spinal column and you push it out. Push out that last bit of air as your belly button moves back. And then immediately soften your belly again and pull the air in, rounding up like a barrel, breathing with your whole body. Long, deep breath. Good. Keep going. And as you breathe, begin to lengthen the exhale. Lengthening the exhale stimulates the vagus nerve and helps us maintain good health. Perhaps count with your fingers by touching your thumb to each finger on one hand for a 4 count on the inhale, and then touching the thumb to each finger on both hands for an 8 count out, extending the breath. You can hum on the way out with an M sound. You can exhale through rounded lips like you're slowly blowing out birthday candles. Just keep breathing. Stay comfortable because that's when you're most effective. The vagus nerve is the largest nerve in the body. Travels all the way from the brain down to the lower intestinal organs. It regulates all the body's involuntary processes, digestion, heartbeat, respiration, and more. And it's responsible for restoring relaxation after a response to stress or danger. Well, that nerve needs to be strong to maintain our health. And so we strengthen it. We strengthen it with our breath and with the extended exhale. Now the ear has an important part to play. Because the vagus nerve travels so close to the eardrum, stimulating the ear means stimulating all the functions of the vagus nerve. And so this simple practice of breathing, extending the exhale, and listening to beautiful sounds creates strength in our vagus nerve, so when life is happening around us, we're strong, we're ready to go, we're healthy, and we let go when danger passes and return to our relaxed state. This morning I'm going to play the singing bowls, the Tibetan singing bowls in the background, and as you breathe you can allow the sound of the bowls to stimulate and strengthen the vagus nerve. Hum along if you want, but keep breathing, staying comfortable. Long, deep inhale to a 4 count. Extended exhale to an 8 count. Changing it to fit you if you need to, and enjoying. Keep breathing. Long and deep. Comfortable and effective. Maintaining health and strengthening your ability to meet life's challenges. Enjoy the sounds of the birds in the bowls as they sing. If you'd like a copy of an extended Birds and Bowls singing, text me and I'll send you one. Counting, using your thumb and your fingers, giving your mind something to do, and if it wanders, bring it back, and don't be surprised or beat up on yourself for a wandering mind. We all have one, and we're training it, and each time you bring it back, get better at it. And may the long-time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Have a great day.